Alright everybody, hello, and yeah, today we're going to be playing some vehicle simulator. I'm doing the Ready Player 2 event. This only costs like $1,000 if you have the AR goggles on, which I have right now. So, yeah. It's currently, 7:32 p.m. right now. I'm gonna have to be very quiet, so, like, I just need to be so exaggerated here. It's like my grandma is actually trying to sleep right now, but it's like, why did she actually sleep at 7:32 p.m.? Anyways, yeah, I'm getting into a tutorial right now. I think this would actually take like very long for this, but who cares anyway? So it's supposed to be somewhat around here, and hey, there it is. Gotta go fast. Sonic reference. Oh, oh. Ooh. Okay, I just got that cutscene. Alright, so we have to go back to the mountain where the secret laboratory is. Open up. Hey, as you can see, where's the mountain? Where's the mountain? I'm blind. Where's the mountain? Where is the mountain? Everyone's crowding around the place of the mountain. Go to that route because that's the closest to the mountain. Move. Good. Okay, so now let's go to the mountain and probably get our reward. Yay! I'm very unexaggerated right now. I'm usually this under exaggerated. Usually I'm usually like a very straight person, but yeah. Anyways, as you can see, I'm struggling to drive. Good car. So yeah, basically let's go back to the mountain. Pretty sure the combination was chocolate donut, glizzy, Roxy Cola, Lady Donut, Pink Donut, and Glizzy. Then Bloxy Cola, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, wait. Alright, so like I'm currently watching this video. Yeah, I'm currently watching this video. Let me just rewind back to just rewind back to the code. Move on. So yeah, it says chocolate donut, glizzy, Bloxy Cola, pink donut, glazed donut, glizzy, and Bloxy Cola. Yeah. I can't wait to get this. Like, it just gives you a badge and merch blue box. I already have like use of sword, I think. Oh crap. Great. Just great. So yeah, this sells for like, I don't know, this is like $1,000 already. Like if you have the AR goggles on it. I think it's pretty nice. I'm pretty sure you won't be able to keep it though, but if I can keep it, I'll live with you forever. Just yeah, giving me a free car for an event. Yeah, yeah. I will love this game if it does. Because if this doesn't, just yeah, okay. But this game doesn't require you to spend money on a code that makes no sense. And why is the chocolate donut $100? Hold on. Yeah, this is the right place. I'm going to. Alright. So now we're here. Oh, okay. Alright, so yeah, we just type in the code again. Crap.
Access denied.
Oh, what did I do? What? Chocolate donut. Oh, dang it. Okay. block piece cola, plank donut, glazed donut. Was it then glizzy and then hot dog? Yeah, glizzy then hot dog. Glizzy hot.
Access granted.
Yeah, let's go, boys. We are going to get this bag, and I look like a man. Anyways, as you can see by my shirt, we are going to drive at 80 miles per hour, which is basically me almost all the time whenever I'm in like incog server. So what are we supposed to do now? We have everything that we need. We can't jump down, I think. Oh boy. Yep, we can jump down. We can jump down. Oh, where is this? Oh, okay. Oh, he's gone. Wait a second. I need to do this hobby. Please don't tell me. Okay. Okay, yeah, we have to do that. Maybe that's why they told us to buy the hover car. Okay, why? Oh, that's scraping. Oh, no! No way that just happened. No way that just happened. Ooh, you get the car though. Yeah, actually pretty lit. Where's that girl? Where's that boy? I can't tell. Whatever. Just, okay, we have to, bring our destination back there. Because I had to flip over and have my car impale itself into the asphalt. At first I thought you can, like, jump on the wall and then keep on climbing it that way. I thought that would actually work at first. Fine, I'll try that. Oh man. Like, this car tends to just, like, flip around, like, so much whenever it's in, flying mode. Which I honestly despise. Just sucks. You know what else sucks? My recording lagging. It's like 24/7 once I record Roblox. Like, what's the deal with that? Like, what did Roblox ever do to you to just make you sick? No, I'm not going to let you record. So if you want me to record, I'm just going to make it hella laggy. Like, when was that a thing? When did this have a? Why would this screen this section about what I record? Like now this game, like TSM is just gonna be screwed sideways. Like I could record TSM on my laptop, but I don't know why I'm not. Come on. This is one reason why I don't want the DeLorean in this game, but since I got a supercar for free, I guess it's a good thing? Maybe? I don't know. Anyways, I better do this again. I swear if I just do the stupid code. Oh man, this is never gonna go well. I'm gonna have to do another code to waste my money. And I'm not gonna like end one single bit of this. Someone has a pizza one. Okay, just, everyone is crowding it. Move. Stupid RB Battles Wing. Move. Let me click it. Let me click it. You are hogging up the space, my good sir.
Access denied.
Okay, chocolate donut. Move! You absolute morons! Glizzy, that. Oh, great. That.
Access granted.
I basically just sped run that. Like, I just speed run. Like, this game just wants you to waste all of your in-game cash right now. Like, That honestly triggers me. Bang, bang. It was actually very mesmerizing, not gonna lie. Okay. Yeah, like, see what that guy did? I thought you can, like, just do the same thing. Just, I'm gonna go over here. Papa dee da. Alright. Yeah, like, see what the guy did over there? Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I think you can use any car for this part, but I'm just going to use my, oh, wow. Oh. Okay, so what am I supposed to do now? Huh. I guess the only thing that I can... It won't let me out of my car. It won't let me out of my own dang car. Huh. Yes! Thank gosh, I thought I had to do the whole thing over again. Huh. Alright, am I supposed to go down there? Huh. What? Oh, great. Just great. Okay. 1985. I'm pretty sure that's when the DeLorean was made. $1985. I mean, Astra per... add Astra per Aspera.
9, 8,
Where are you going to
7,
go?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
It's bad.
0.
Yay. Alright. So, are we going to the moon now? I'm going to the moon. Huh. We went to the moon. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Night. Oh my gosh. Yo. I'm pretty sure I saw the one. Yes. Oh. I'm not spoiling the car for y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ad Astra per Aspera. Okay, alright. Oh, we're back. Was that a drug trip? Yeah, I think I just went on a drug trip. So, yeah, that had to be a drug trip. Yo, but look at this. Look at this car. Oh, that is sick. Yo, that is epic. You better get this car before this event ends. Because this car is sick, bro. Look at it. It's legit Kit from Knight Rider. Oh my gosh. I'm so lucky to get this right now. Like, I'm just gonna make this a Kit car. Buttons, rim type. I'll link the video in the description if you guys want to get this car as well. If I can actually remember linking it in the first place. Like, seriously, this thing means a lot to me. Like, look at this. Oh, look at this car. And my game broke. My game just broke. But that will do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. You can hit that subscribe and bell button. You can always unsubscribe if you want to. This one was actually very helpful for me. I'll link this in the description for you guys to get your own car for this. And yeah, that's about it today. This is Kobe YT, aka Human, and I am out.